Welcome to techxlovers, gardening gadgets to help you grow a beautiful garden. RYOBI 40V HP. The RYOBI 40V HP brushless Kinetic log splitter is a powerful and innovative tool that can help you to split firewood quickly and easily. It features a Kinetic design that uses a flywheel to generate splitting force, resulting in a 2-second cycle time and up to 10 times faster splitting than traditional hydraulic log splitters. The RYOBI Kinetic log splitter is also cordless, making it easy to move around your yard and split wood anywhere you need it. It's powered by 40V HP battery that delivers more power than an 80cc gas long splitters, and it can split logs up to 20 inches long and 10 inches in a diameter. The RYOBI Kinetic log splitter is a great choice for homeowners and landscapers who need a powerful and efficient way to split firewood. It is easy to use, safe and convenient, and it's backed by RYOBI's 3 years warranty. Roamwild Mega PestOff. The Roamwild Mega PestOff Squirrel-proof bird feeder is a larger capacity bird feeder that is designed to keep squirrels out. Features a number of features to deter squirrels, including inspiring loading feeding sport that allow small birds to feed. A weight-activated perch that closes when a squirrel climbs on it. A metal baffle at the top of the bottom of the feeder to prevent squirrels from climbing down. A polycarbonate tube that is squirrel-proof and weather-resistant. The Roamwild Mega PestOff Squirrel-proof bird feeder can hold up to 4 liters of seed, so you don't have to refill it as often. It also has a built-in rain guard to keep their seed dry and fresh. The bird feeder is a good option for homeowners who want to attract a variety of songbirds to their yard without having to worry about squirrels stealing the seed. It is also a good choice for people who live in areas with a lot of squirrels. Vortex Catbird MP4. Vortex Catbird MP4 bird scarer is a gas-powered bird deterrent that is designed to be effective in a variety of settings, including farms, orchards, vineyards, vineyards, and gardens. It features a number of features that make it an effective bird scarer, including a loud bang that scares birds away, adjustable firing times and internal and interval control, automatic down start and dusk shut off, rust-proof and waterproof design, remote control operations. The Catbird MP4 is easy to use and install. Simply connect its a propane gas cylindrical and place it is an area where you want to date your bird, so you can then program the flowering time, the fire times and interval control to meet you the specific needs, and the Catbird MP4 will automatically turn on at down and shut off at dusk, so you don't have to worry about manually operating it. The Catbird MP4 is a popular choice for bird control because it is very effective, easy to use and affordable. It is also backed by 1-year warranty. SolGrow. SolGrow is a water-soluble fertilizer that is designed to help crops as stored energy to grow. It is high phosphate blend that is particularly useful during cool, wet conditions, bloom periods, and post-harvest. SolGrow is manufactured by Miller Chemical and Fertilizer Corporation in the United States. SolGrow can be used on a variety of plants, including fruits, vegetables, flowers, and trees. It is applied to the soil or foliage, and it is quickly absorbed by the plant. SolGrow helps to promote root growth, fruiting. It is also helps to improve the plant overall health and resistance to pest and disease. SolGrow is available in a variety of formulations, including liquid, powders, and granules. It can be applied using a variety of methods, including drip irrigations, foliar feeding, and irrigations. Litheli eWagon W1 Pro. The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro is a battery-powered electric folding wagon cart trolley that is designed to make transporting heavy loads easy and convenient. It features a number of features that make it a great choice for a variety of applications, including a powerful electric motor that can propel the wagon up to 10 mph. A foldable design for easy storage and transport. A large capacity up to 132 pounds. A variety of safety features, including brakes and light The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro is powered by 48-wheel lithium-ion battery that provides up to 15 miles of range on a single charge. The battery can be recharged in just 4 hours using the included and included charger. The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro is easy to operate. Simply unfold the wagon, load it up, and turn on the motor. You can control the speed of the wagon using the throttle on the handle. Flower Cam. Flower Cam is a unique camera app that lets you turn everything into flowers, mandals, and more. It uses a variety of filters and effects to create beautiful and artistic images. Flower Cam is easy to use. Simply open the app and point your camera at the subject you want to photograph. Then tap on one of the filters to apply it into the image. You can also adjust the intensity of the filter or effect using the slider. Once you're happy with the image, you can save it in your phone camera roll or share it to the social media. Flower Cam is a great app for creative people who want to add a unique touch to their photos. It is also a fun app to use with the kids. Termite bait stations. A termite bait station is a device that is used to control termites. It contains a small amount of termite bait which is attractive to termites. The termites eat the bait and then return to their colony, where they share the bait with other termites. The bait eventually kills the termites and the colony dies. Termite bait sections are a very effective way to control termites because they are very slow acting, and this means that the termites have time to spread the bait to the rest of the colony before they die. Termite bait stations are also relatively safe for pets and non-other grow target animals. The termite bait station can be placed around the perimeter of your home or business. They are typically buried in the ground, but they can also be placed above ground in areas where there is termite activity. Once the termite and stations are in a place, they should be inspected regularly by a pest control professional. The professional will check the bait stations for termite activity and replace the bait as needed. AirPot. The AirPot is a type of flower pot that is designed to promote root growth and plant health. It has a unique design with the perforated sides that allow air to prune the roots as they grow. That encourages the roots to branch out and form a dense network, which makes the plant more efficient at absorbing water and nutrition. AirPots are made from recycled plastic and are available in a variety of sizes, so they can be used to grow a wide variety of plants, including flowers, vegetables, herbs, and trees. AirPots are a good choice for gardeners who want to grow healthy and productive plants. They are also a good choice for people who want to reduce their environmental impact, as they are made of recycled plastic and can be reused for many years. To use an AirPot, simplify and simply fill it to your preferred potting mix and plant your desired plants. Water the plant regularly and fertilize it according to the needs of the plant. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more videos, subscribe to Xlovers.